Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell Vostro 5000. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell Vostro 5000 is getting too hot and shutting down, you're not alone. This overheating can be caused by a buildup of dust, a malfunctioning fan, or, most commonly, degraded thermal paste. If left unaddressed, your device could suffer permanent damage, leading to costly repairs or even a complete breakdown. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools: a screwdriver set, thermal paste, isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, a soft cloth, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge. Now, let's get started with the repair. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip your Dell Vostro 5000 over. Using your screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Gently lift the back panel off, taking care not to damage any clips. Next, locate the heat sink, which is typically situated near the CPU. This component is responsible for dissipating heat and is often where thermal paste needs replacing. Once located, unscrew the heat sink. Remember to apply gentle pressure as you remove it. You may need to wiggle it slightly to free it from the CPU. After removing the heat sink, you will see the old thermal paste. Use isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth to clean off the old paste from both the CPU and the heat sink. Make sure the surfaces are completely clean before applying the new paste. Now, apply a small amount of thermal paste to the center of the CPU. A pea-sized amount is sufficient. Carefully reattach the heat sink, ensuring it is aligned correctly. Screw it back in place, applying even pressure without over-tightening. Reconnect any cables that may have been disconnected during the process. Once everything is back in place, replace the back panel and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent your Dell Vostro 5000 from overheating again, ensure you keep the vents clear of dust, regularly clean the inside of your laptop, and consider using a cooling pad. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.